Good morning everyone. So I've just arrived at today's job, which is to clean the patio. The algae's come back. This is an annual clean for a regular customer, and I will be also soft washing the paint work because she let me know that the algae's overtaking that as well. So it's just a bit of maintenance today. It's just after a year, so that's why you want to get your patios and drives cleaned annually to prevent this build up. I'll be moving all the furniture now and starting, and there will also be rust that I'll be removing with this product from Pure Seal, Smelly Gel Pro. First time using this product, so I'll let you know how I get on. Right, I'm just going to pour a generous amount of this Smelly Gel Pro into my pump sprayer. We're not too much and keep it neat. These come in 1 litre bottles. Right, I just about managed to move this. So heavy, I can't believe it. Really, I need another lad to help me lift that. I had to put it on its side. So I'm just going to rinse around here and then rinse the patio and go from there. Right, you can see it going purple now. There's spots literally all over the patio, so I've gone all around, and you can see how the colours changed. It means it's working. I'm just going to go over it all with my surface cleaner. There were bits on the paint as well there, and just here. Right. So I'm just going to go over everything with the surface cleaner then, and the patio is done. Move all this garden furniture back onto the patio last, because I've still got to obviously soft wash all the walls. She only wanted those two done, but I'll do that one as well, and then rinse everything down. So right, let's get back to it. Yeah, and I was going to say I don't know why it cut out when I was applying the chemical, but it cut out. Right, so I've used one bottle already. These are around £35 a bottle. And we're going on to the second one just for, though, if you see, you can't see any, there's little faint areas, but they'll be fine. It's mainly here I'm not happy with, but I've got to let it all dry out first. Just that little bit there, and this main bit here, I'm not happy with that bit at all. So it says on the instructions leave for 10 minutes when it goes purple, but I reckon I'm gonna have to leave it down for a bit longer. I don't know, possibly a couple hours, maybe an hour and a bit, and then rinse everything. within 10 minutes. Look at the difference already. Obviously this bit, remember, didn't go over. It's too close to the window. Wow. So I'm not finished yet. I'll give everything a good rinse. I did go over this part as well, even though this wasn't included. And then everything will look brand new then. So I'm going to give it a rinse, see how it looks. And if it doesn't look that good, I'll reapply a bit more chemical and then give it another rinse. Right everyone, all done. You can see the difference. All that algae gone. Just came up a treat. And all of it was gathering here. That's all gone. Chemicals got rid of that. Just started putting a few pots back. You can see it's just drying out. And there we go. Look at that. I'm very happy. Customer hasn't arrived home yet. It's a regular customer, so she'll be over the moon. And those bits of rust, I mean, they're a bit faint here and there, but the majority of it has gone. So I'm very pleased, and that'll be it then for me for the day. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe.